Okay, another new project in here. I believe this is an 07 Dodge Ram. We're going to be replacing both the quarter panels due to rust. These things are known for that. We may end up having to, the owner supplied the two quarter panels. We'll probably have to order, there's an inner piece in there. We'll probably end up having to get that, but this should be a good job. I will try and keep you updated as we move through this project. Okay, we got Jason and Ramel here. They've got the tail lights out of the old Dodge. And Jason's in there getting ready to take the bumper off. Coming along nice. All right, we got Ramel. He's going around. He's drilling 1/8" pilot holes in all the spot welds. And we'll come back later with a spot weld cutter and drill that out. And there's many ways to do this, but in this situation and in this school setting, drilling an 1/8" pilot hole just works out the best. We got Nolan. He's working on the other side here, drilling spot welds. Oh yeah, you're getting her. Busting them spot welds. There you go. Good 75% overlap. Yeah, the second coat we slow down, same 75 to 80% overlap. Now don't go that slow when you're going down the side though. You'll figure it out. Just watch it. If you need to come back, there you go. Nice. They didn't get it clear Thursday, but it's done now. They just got done with it.